It's for the Jonas Brothers, because this is our Jonas adventure. That's Hannah. Hannah smiles.
Hannah doesn't smile.
And then when she's mad, she has a YouTube that says Hannah doesn't smile. So
now they're gonna look it up.
Don't go looking it up because it's not real.
I will make it real.
And I am Janae 552. These are our signs here. We love the Jonas. Oh wait, we love the Jonas Brothers and Honk For Jonas. We're just that cool.
There's a whale in the pool with my mother.
We're about to go outside to show
the house different colors
with
Jenny.
We're going on a secret mission. Oh yeah.
couldn't dream
Because we love the Jonas Brothers. It's okay. We're ready for another car.
This is my sign. This is it.
against Hampton.
Let's go.
All the girls, they'll be laughing. Where would we be if we couldn't dream? What they say, we get a little crazy in love. We're never gonna fake it. We are wild, we are free, we are loving. You think some college trees, but that's just the way we roll. And that's to know we're never letting go. That's just the way we know. We get a little crazy, and know we get a little loud. And know we're never gonna fake it. We are wild, we are free, we are more than you think. College trees, but that's just the way we know. We get a little crazy.
Go Jenny. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Oh yeah. Go Jenny.
We're never
Go
gonna
Jenny.
fake it.
Hope you don't get run over.
We are free, we are more than you think. College trees,
There's a car coming, but we don't think he's gonna honk for Jonas.
that's just the way we know.
Honk for Jonas! Woo! We're homeless for Jonas! Honk for Jonas! It was a girl. No girl would honk for Jonas.